Everyone, good morning. So, start our today's lecture. In this, first of all, we are in this previous lecture we are talk to about carbohydrate metabolism. Especially we want to talk to about cellular respiration. So look at different stages of cellular respiration and what they made up with. So if you think of a cellular respiration of carbohydrate metabolism, it start with a process known as a glycolysis and modification of glycolysis, and then the process goes like to the modification of pyruvate into acetyl CoA, that is done by pyruvate dehydrogenation complex. And then the next stage is process is known as the Krebs cycle, and next Krebs cycle next process name is process is known as electron transport chain. So its all process are generate energy. And the idea of cellular respiration is we eat food and the part and fragments of that food after the digestion and reaches the of our cell inside the particles and broken down into the macromolecules, that is a carbohydrate, lipid, protein. These are the three major micromolecules that they produce after food digestion, and a small amount in this nucleic acid also produce, and as well as now started breakdown these three macromolecules and produce energy. First of all, glycolysis in these three stages. We are here we are talking about carbohydrate metabolism in first glycolysis pathway. Glycolysis pathway in these three stages. First part it's known as priming, and next second part is known as splitting, and third part is known as energy extraction. So in this previous lecture we are talking about this glycolysis pathway is also two phases, preparatory phase and payoff phase. Okay, so first preparatory phase we are talking about preparatory phase. So phosphorylation of glucose and its conversion to glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate in this preparatory phase. Glucose is phosphorylation of glucose. In this, first of all, glucose is converted into the glucose 6 phosphate. Yeah, glucose makes glucose 6 phosphate during require ATP, and this ATP is converted into the ADP. When our glucose is make a glucose 6 phosphate during used first enzyme is the hexokinase enzyme. So first enzyme used hexokinase enzyme, and next step glucose 6 phosphate is make fructose 6 phosphate, glucose 6 phosphate to fructose 6 phosphate during used enzyme is phosphohexoisomerase. So next second enzyme is the second step in phosphohexoisomerase, hexoisomerase. Okay, then next fructose 6 phosphate is make fructose 1,6 biphosphate. In this you require ATP, and ATP is converted to the ADP, and fructose 6 phosphate to fructose 1,6 biphosphate during required enzyme is the phosphofructokinase 1. So third enzyme is the phosphofructokinase 1. Okay, then next fourth step in this fructose 6 phosphate to fructose 1,6 biphosphate, and fructose 1,6 biphosphate is make glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate. Fructose 1,6 biphosphate to glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate in this require enzyme aldolase enzyme. So fourth stage in this require enzyme is the aldolase enzyme. Okay, so fructose 1,6 biphosphate is make glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate plus dihydroxyacetone phosphate. So it is the first phase, preparatory phase. Okay, its conversion to glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate. Glucose is conversion to glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate. Okay, then next payoff phase. We are talk to about payoff phase. Okay, so payoff phase in this oxidative conversion of glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate to pyruvate and formation of ATP and NADH. Okay, so first of all, glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate is conversion to pyruvate, and in this formation of ATP, NADH, this ATP and NADH formation. Okay, so first stage glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate is make 1,3 biphosphoglycerol glycerate, sorry, 1,3 biphosphoglycerate. In this used require enzyme is the triose phosphate isomerase. Okay, triose phosphate isomerase is the fifth enzyme. So fifth enzyme is the triose phosphate isomerase. Then 1,3 biphosphoglycerate, it's converted to the 3 phosphoglycerate, or 1,3 biphosphate phosphoglycerate is make of 3 phosphoglycerate. Okay, in this use require 2 ADP, and 2 ADP is require 2 ADP, and 2 ADP is converted into the 2 ATP. So first of all, formation of ATP, first formation ATP is during 1,3 biphosphoglycerate and 2,3 phosphoglycerate. Okay, so it is the first ATP formation forming reaction, or in this required enzyme is the first in this required enzyme is the glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate dehydrogenase. So glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate dehydrogenase. Glyceraldehyde okay, glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate hydrogenase. First of all, glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate is converted into the glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate plus dehydroxy acetone phosphate is converted into the glyceraldehyde. In this glyceraldehyde. Glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate. Okay, in this use triose phosphate isomerase, and next glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate is make 1,3 biphosphoglycerate. In this used enzyme is the glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate dehydrogenase, and 1,3 biphosphate glycerate is make 3 phosphoglycerate. In this used enzyme is the phosphoglycerate kinase. Phosphoglycerate kinase. Okay, so sixth enzyme is glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate dehydrogenase. And seventh enzyme 1,3-biphosphoglycerate is converted into the 3-phosphoglycerate during phosphate glycerate kinase. Okay. Then next 3-phosphoglycerate is make the 2-phosphoglycerate. 2-phosphoglycerate. In this between my mistake कि glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate plus dihydroacetone phosphate is make a glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate during required enzyme is triose phosphate isomerase, and glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate make a 1,3-biphosphoglycerate during required enzyme is glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase, and 1,3-biphosphoglycerate is make the 3-phosphoglycerate during required enzyme is the phosphoglycerate kinase, and this 1,3-biphosphoglycerate is converted into the 3-phosphoglycerate during 2-ADP is 2 ADP is required, and ADP is converted into the 2-ATP. So first stage is the formation of ATP, first stage forming the ATP. And next 3-phosphoglycerate is make 2-phosphoglycerate during used enzyme is the phosphoglycerate mutase. In this used enzyme phosphoglycerate mutase. Okay, so it's at step in this phosphoglycerate mutase. Okay, then 2-phosphoglycerate is converted into the phosphoenol pyruvate. Phosphoenol pyruvate. Okay, in this phosphoenol pyruvate 2-phosphoglycerate make phosphoenol pyruvate during required enzyme is the enolase enzyme. In this required enzyme is the enolase enzyme. Okay, so 9th step in this user enzyme is the enolase enzyme. Then next phosphoenol pyruvate. Phosphoenol pyruvate make a pyruvate, last stage pyruvate, last produced product is a pyruvate. Okay, phosphoenol pyruvate is make pyruvate during 2-ADP is required, and 2-ADP is converted into the 2-ATP. So it is the second ADP forming reaction. It's called second phosphoenol pyruvate, and phosphoenol pyruvate to pyruvate is the second ATP forming reaction. And phosphoenol pyruvate to pyruvate this reaction during required enzyme is the pyruvate kinase. Pyruvate kinase enzyme used. Okay, so last step 10th pyruvate kinase enzyme. Okay, so it is a glycolysis pathway. In these first of all, glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate plus dihydroxy in payoff phase. Glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate plus dihydroxyacetone phosphate is converted into the glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate in 2 mole. Okay, and glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate is make 1,3 biphosphoglycerate, it's also 2 mole, and 1,3 biphosphate glycerate is converted into the 3 phosphoglycerate, it's also 2 mole, and 3 phosphoglycerate is converted into the 2 phosphoglycerate, it's also 2 mole, and 2 phosphoglycerate is converted into the phosphoenol pyruvate, also 2, and last produced product pyruvate, it's also 2 pyruvate is produced, 2 mole pyruvate is produced. Okay, so it is the glycolysis pathway. So we are revised glycolysis pathway. So first of all, this pathway, glycolysis pathway, in this 2 stage first of all 3 step. Okay, first step is the priming, next second step is the splitting, and third last step, this step is the energy extraction step. Okay, so first of all, this is the 2 phase, also 2 phase in divided, ki priming phase and payoff phase. Okay, priming phase and payoff phase. In this preparatory phase and payoff phase, first of all preparatory phase, in this phosphorylation of glucose and its conversion to glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate. In this use the 5 enzyme is used: hexokinase, phosphohexoisomerase, fructokinase 1, aldolase, triose phosphate isomerase. These 5 enzyme is used. And next step, payoff phase. In this next 5 step, in this 6th step in the glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate dehydrogenase enzyme, 7th step in this phosphoglycerate kinase, 8th step in the this phosphoglycerate mutase, and 9th in this indolase, and 10th in this pyruvate kinase. Okay, so these all 10 enzymes are used in this glycolysis pathway. Okay, and glyceraldehyde and in this ATP and NADH generate. So first of all, glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate is make 1,3 biphosphate phosphoglycerate. It make require 2 NAD and make 2 NADH. Require 2 NAD and make 2 NADH. Okay, so in this formation of ATP and NADH. This step also known as oxidation and phosphorylation step, and 2 ADP, first 2 ADP is required, and next step, second step in this 2 ADP is required, and first step of 2 ATP formation and second step of 2 ATP formation. This step is the second step 2 ATP formation. Okay, so in this 4 ADP is required and 4 ATP is generated in this payoff phase. And first of all, preparatory phase, in this 1 ATP glucose to glucose 6 phosphate in this required, and second ATP fructose 6 phosphate to fructose 1,6 biphosphate in this required. So in this 2 ATP is required in this preparatory phase, and 2 ADP is formation in this preparatory phase. Okay, so it is the glycolysis pathway. Next, regulation of glycolysis in this hexokinase, phosphofructokinase, pyruvate kinase, and pyruvate kinase. These 3 enzymes, we will study about these 3 enzymes in second lecture. Okay, next lecture. Regulatory